but we just came out with the calendar. So if you haven't checked that out, you're more than welcome to check that out. But we now put the affiliate area over here on the left side. So when you click on the affiliate area, obviously you can have your email there, and that's where you'll be paid out with PayPal. We have the resources tab, which hopefully you've seen already. Right here, you can get all your email swipes. I do affiliate marketing training on there and give examples of different ways that you can promote Repurpose. And then right here, you can actually choose if you want. Right now, I would suggest if you want to promote Repurpose to use the Ultimate Content Repurposing Guide, because it gives them a free ebook and then also a 30-day trial. But you can use any of these links. So when you click on that, use an affiliate link and you copy it. And then we also just put the referrals tab. So now you can see who's active and who's not, and if they're a paying customer or not. So you can also follow up with these leads on your own email marketing as well. So hopefully this helps out. I know that, when I first got onboarded as the affiliate manager, we didn't have a lot of this data. So I'm extremely excited that some of these things are coming to pass. So hopefully that helped you out. Let me know if you have more questions, and I apologize for this video coming out just a little bit late. I was just waiting for this update. So, all right, talk soon. Bye.